Once a person throws something away, they usually don't give it a second thought. But Project O'Fallon wants to know what happens to our trash once we throw it away.
Typically what happens is you place your trash out at the curb, a residential truck will come through, pick up your material, take it, in your case, to the City of O'Fallon transfer station. That material is then dropped onto a floor, placed into a transfer truck. That transfer truck then comes to the Fred Weber landfill and deposits the material here.
The City of O'Fallon collects 415 tons of trash every week, which adds up to 22,000 tons a year. And the City of O'Fallon is only one client dumping waste into the Fred Weber landfill.
The Fred Weber landfill accepts residential waste, commercial waste, and industrial waste. The Fred Weber landfill receives about 4,000 to 6,000 tons per day, which equates to approximately 1.2 million tons annually.
That's a lot of trash. How does the Fred Weber landfill accommodate so much waste?
Well, specifically, the Fred Weber landfill is 254 acres and it's situated inside a rock quarry. Fred Weber is currently mining inside that quarry. As we complete mining within a certain area, we will then look at that area and begin the process of constructing a landfill. We typically refer to this as a new cell. So that process involves a synthetic and non-synthetic liner, in addition to the construction of a leachate collection system. We then go through the process with the Missouri Department of Natural Resources of approving the new cell in addition to obtaining our permits. Once construction is complete and all permits are in place, we can begin accepting material.
The Fred Weber landfill has multiple security measures in place to protect the environment.
Environmental safety is really a combination of hydrogeology, engineer design. One of the nice things about our landfill is it's what we kind of call state-of-the-art landfill. The landfill is actually situated on top of Warsaw Shale, which makes it unique because it's typically an impervious rock, so it protects the landfill from the groundwater. At the bottom of a landfill, you have your leachate collection system, you have a clay liner, a level of dirt, in addition to a synthetic liner that is synthetic and engineered, that's the highest technology and engineered to protect as the leachate's coming through that it's been filtered before it actually ends up into our leachate collection system. In addition to that, we have monitoring wells in place throughout the landfill where we're capturing leachate. We have methane gas, and then there's an entire safety system in place of regular monitoring of all those. We're also wanting to protect and make sure that the stormwater was actually rolling off the landfill is not ending up in streams.
One interesting thing about the Fred Weber landfill is their gas collection system.
We have a state-of-the-art landfill gas collection system at the Fred Weber landfill. The purpose of that system is to, as I stated before, protect the environment. This is a greenhouse gas, so we want to ensure that it's not released out into the environment. So we want to capture it. There's a system of wells and vacuums and piping throughout the landfill that's constantly in operation and monitored by our own team, in addition to the Missouri Department of Natural Resources and the Health Department, to make sure that these wells and the piping are operational and in place and capturing all the gas. Once it's been captured, our goal then is to use it as a renewable resource. So methane is an opportunity for us to generate a resource that can do a lot of things. We heat Pattonville High School. We also run our asphalt plant off the methane, the greenhouse across the street that you saw, in addition to our partnership with Ameren UE. And the exciting thing about that partnership is Ameren's working directly with Fred Weber. They're going to be using turbines that are going to be powered by methane in order to generate enough electricity that we're estimating should power 10,000 homes.
Fred Weber estimates that their landfill should be open and accepting trash for another 50 years. But what happens when the landfill is full?
Well, interesting enough, you're almost reversing the process of the beginning of a landfill. So what happens once a landfill has used all of its airspace and it's considered full is we do again repeat of what we did at the bottom of the landfill, which is another set of liners, synthetic and non-synthetic liners, and then we'll a layer of dirt and then a ground cover. Our goal is to complete the landfill clean and green, so we'd like it to look like a park.
Even though our trash is deposited in a state-of-the-art landfill, everyone should be mindful of the amount of waste they throw away. The City of O'Fallon estimates that 60 to 70% of our trash could be kept out of the landfill by further utilizing our single-stream recycling program. You can help increase the life of the Fred Weber landfill by recycling as much as you can. For more information on the city's single-stream recycling, visit our website at www.o'fallon.mo.us. For more information on the Fred Weber landfill, visit www.fredweberinc.com.